Hello and welcome to the Christmas street in London. This is Bond Street. Is there anything more iconic than Cartier? And this whole street is absolutely stunning. Let's go and take a look around.
Welcome back, festive friends. I'm Claire Andercity and I'm here to show you the most Instagrammable Christmas corners in London. Today we're heading onto the luxe streets of Mayfair, where we'll discover the chicest festive shops on Bond Street. Plus we'll flash back to a few of my past favourites. These decorations are big, bold and ultra bougie. Plus they look lovely at any time of day and night. So grab your credit card and let's go shopping.
This is the Cartier display that launched 1,000 ships. You'll have seen a million different takes of this on Instagram. And one of the best places to take photos of it is across the road where I am now. And there's also Ralph Lauren Café, which is absolutely perfect to grab that croissant and coffee. It looks absolutely gorgeous. This year, they've gone for a stack of presents and a little panther on top, or a couple of panthers. And actually, I have to admit that I've really enjoyed their previous decorations, which have involved spaceships and Christmas presents and big red bows. But this one is looking just lovely. And it's very popular. Shall we just say that? It's one of the most popular spots. So if you want to come here, you might need to come really super early or come late at night. In my opinion, one of the most fabulous places, but the hardest to shoot, is Ralph Lauren Cafe. And it is so cute. They've got coffee and snacks, and you can sit outside and you can get the most amazing view of Cartier from there. There's also a lovely telephone box outside, and you'll have seen it loads on your Instagram. But it is absolutely gorgeous. It's really traditional. You've got this lovely tree out here that you can buy like a little wish for people, and it's so gorgeous. And you can go in the store as well and buy a lovely gift.
Here's Ralph Lauren's Giving Tree, where donations support the Royal Marsden Cancer Charity. Contribute £15 or more and a beautiful star will be added to the tree in their name. According to Elle, The Independent and the New York Times, the nostalgic 90s Ralph Lauren Christmas aesthetic is having a major moment, and you'll see why when you step inside this 7-story flagship. The space is a luxurious blend of Art Deco architecture and English gentleman's club elegance, all wrapped up in festive warmth. The Christmas windows are a must-see too, featuring an interactive polar bear display which changes outfits and scenery when you touch the screen. My friend Bettina was surprised and delighted by it.
It is a tiny bit chaotic today because they're switching on the Christmas lights tonight, so hopefully when you visit it won't be so bad. There's also quite a lot of white vans around, so if you are visiting, it really is luck of the draw of whether you are in front of a white van or you get lucky. So what about Christmas at Tiffany's? Tiffany's is one of the most iconic places to come and look at on Bond Street, and this year it's been coloured in this beautiful signature blue going up to this midnight sky. It's absolutely gorgeous, and there's an owl at the front that's all bejewelled, and the best bit about it actually is these Christmas trees are super jeweled and gorgeous, and even better if you're going in there to buy something for Christmas. Lucky you.
In between Tiffany and Cartier, there's a trio of perfectly pretty jewellery shops. David Morris has a giant pink bow in my favourite powerful perky pink shade, and later in the evening it was all lit up. In the middle is Mikimoto with white silvery decorations surrounding the windows and doors. Trust me, this white building creates a white reflective corner. And finally, Boodles is pretty consistent every year with their baby pink decorations. This year they've added an oversized wreath with a ribbon twisting around the Christmas trees beneath.
If you're looking for traditional Christmas, the Royal Arcade is a really great option for you. It's got these beautiful rainbow multicoloured lights that really light up the archways, and it's got all these gorgeous golden colours too. You're gonna love it. Come and check it out.
At the south end of Bond Street, you can also head to another Mayfair favourite, Fortnum and Mason. There's the iconic advent calendar outside, a new double helix staircase, and modern Christmas decorations inside. I have a full video on Fortnum and Mason, so I'll link a card here. But for now, we'll head back up Bond Street via another fabulous arcade.
This year, the theme at Burlington Arcade, which is one of my favourites and a hop and a skip away from Bond Street, is the 12 Days of Christmas. You'll see such beautiful displays in there. They've got all the different characters and illustrations, and they've also got enormous chandeliers. It makes for a very beautiful bougie look around, and you can enjoy going in the boutiques too.
Walking up Bond Street towards Oxford Street at Christmas is just magical, and it's wall to wall with festive decorations.
I keep saying this about all of them, but they're all my favourites. But I have a special place in my heart for the Dior store on Bond Street. It is so beautiful inside. I definitely recommend you going and look in there. The decorations are gorgeous, the clothes are gorgeous, the shoes are gorgeous, the bags are gorgeous. Just go in there, it's amazing. But the outside is what they really transform, and over the years it's been really spectacular things. Stars, moons, moons. Oh my God, I've loved it over the years. This year, they've gone for a magical creatures in like a garden setting. It looks a little bit like a maze, and they've got this like lovely white ethereal outfits behind me. It's very beautiful, very ethereal, very magical, very Dior.
Across the road, Louis Vuitton has pretty flashing lights. They usually have a bigger display, so I'm not sure if they'll add something else later. Sotheby's has Christmas trees covered in white snow and inky blue ribbons. Bvlgari has a celestial theme. This looks so good at night. Graf is traditional green and gold. Jimmy Choo has created a glamorous night out vibe. Burberry has a play on the night before Christmas with armor-clad knights wearing Burberry check. There's also lovely classic displays on the rest of the street with gold, red and silver and greens. Bond Street might have more decorations to come, so I'll keep you posted if they do, so make sure you like and subscribe. However, they have switched on their Christmas lights now and they do appear to be the same as previous years. I really love the big sparkling crowns. Elsewhere in Mayfair, hop over to Claridges to see their traditional black and white decorations outside and the Christmas trees inside. On Davis Street, there's Neill Strain florists and they have such an extra display of the Christmas trees outside. And inside it's like Christmas has exploded and you can shop decorations, candles and flowers. 22 Club have Nutcracker soldiers outside. There are pastel presents outside Gaia restaurant. There's candy coloured baubles at Ellie Hartley. And if you head to Berkeley Street, Annabel's should have their display up by now. At the time of filming, they were just starting to assemble it, so stay tuned for that one. 34 Mayfair is also the most bauble-filled restaurant in town. You can finish with a flourish at Mikimoto Market, or by Bond Street Tube you can head into Selfridges to see their Christmas Disney collaboration. I have a whole video on that which you can watch next.
I hope you've enjoyed my trip around Bond Street today. Please do like and subscribe so I can make even more Christmas videos for you. Until next time, bye!